I'm doing my little walk as usual. This is Kojak Country Lifestyle, doing my little walk as usual. You know, always call these nature walk or exercise walk. Such a beautiful, whoa, the view. Oh man, Jamaica, it's a beautiful, godless country. Wow, 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 the view, spectacular. I'm looking right down there in Old Church Harbor. So beautiful. I'm showcasing Jamaica to the world, the whole universe. My viewers, welcome to my channel wherever you are viewing from. Welcome to my channel wherever you are viewing from. Let's showcase this beautiful country of Jamaica. Look at the view. This view alone worth $1 million. I hope I can get some subscribe for this video. More subscribes. Wow. Such beauty, man. Welcome each and every one to my channel. Please tell your friends about my channel, my viewer. I appreciate everyone who have subscribed lately. You have been following my, all of my videos, and giving the videos them a like. It's a cloudy day here in Saint Ann, Jamaica. Ochoreas, Jamaica. See a big cruise ship over there? If I did have like a 4K camera, that would be awesome. I'm kind of zooming up. I just use a little Samsung phone I have. Hopefully my YouTube channel will start, grow, so I'll be able to earn something from my videos. Look at the Caribbean Ocean, my God, it's awesome. Rain in the north. You can see the rain on the sea. That's of rain. And I come down right now. Hopefully I will end this video before it starts to rain. Tropical jungle, such beautiful, beautiful tropical jungle. Whoa, so beautiful.
The picture look nice now though.
Thanks everyone for watching. One love, it's raining now, so I might have to end this video now.